I'm at home here. Every time I come to the woods, I'm at home. I love to just look around and enjoy the nature, take it all in, see the rolling hills, just everything, the smells, the way it feels, just everything. Away from the chaos of the city, away from people, and just some time to just let my mind slow down. And this is the perfect place to do it. Good breakfast, good coffee, and nice scenery while I do it. I really needed to just get away from town, away from everybody, everything, and give my mind a break. I have a movie downloaded on my phone, so I guess I'm gonna lay down and just kind of watch a movie, then get up and edit a little bit, and then go from there. So it stopped raining for now, but from what my phone is saying, rain is supposed to move in later. So I want to get a look from up there. I am gonna probably stay here another night, so there's plenty of firewood laying around, so I'm probably going to gather up some wood to have a little fire tonight, because there is a little fire ring over here, which somebody left our trash in, which I'm gonna pick it up. And I want to understand, you have a beautiful forest here, and then you have people come in and then just leave their trash, stuff like that. I don't understand it, I don't get it. If you bring it, pick it up. You know what I mean? It's simple. All right, guys, so I got all that wood done right there. That'll be enough for me tonight. Got that to start the fire with. So I'm good to go. That's what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get some paper, crumble it up in the fire pit, and then set the fire starter pieces of wood on top of that. And so when it's time to light, then all I gotta do is light it. Fire's ready and good to go. All I gotta do is light it. So this is so relaxing, guys. I'm so glad I'm here. This is a gorgeous spot. There has been some traffic that drive by, but not that much. Every so often a vehicle or a four-wheeler or something will go by, but other than that, it's been great. I'm trying to decide what to do now. I have like 3 more pieces of meat products left, but I think I'm gonna maybe try to start changing my diet after I get this, cook this stuff and get it gone, and just to try something different, do a little something different. And but right now, tonight I'm having steak, and it's just a little piece, and so we're gonna cook it up, we're gonna eat it, and then we're gonna go outside and light a fire. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna season it with yet, so let me look. So I have some salt. I'll probably use a little bit of salt. Not that. Let's see here. Some applewood rub. Rub-a-dub-dub. With some applewood. So screw it, I'll use it. Why not? And it's got some barbecue stuff going on and fajitas and fajitas. Nah. Garlic and herb, nah, not on that. Sweet in the smoker rub. Ha 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 ha. Let's see. Nah. So, yeah, go with the other. Just use a little bit of salt and some applewood, and and we'll get that done. I'm not gonna marinate it or nothing like that. I'm just gonna cut it open and throw it in there. I'll probably just have some rice with it, some kind of rice. I don't know. I need to look up here and see what I got. Cilantro rice. Screw it. I'll just eat some of this right here, I guess. I don't normally cook a steak in a pan. I normally always do it on a grill. I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning on this other side of it. It's actually turning out pretty good. Better than I thought it was. So we're almost done with this. Then we're gonna throw a little bit of rice in here, eat, and then we're gonna head outside. So it looks good. So we're gonna try it out. I try not to like overcook this steak, and oh, it looks perfect. Nice. Mmm. That is good. I wish it was cold. I can't wait for colder weather to get here. I am so excited for it. When I was young, I couldn't wait for summer. You know what I mean? And now that I'm a little older, I can't wait for fall. Fall is my favorite time of year. What is your favorite time of year? Leave it in the comments. Mine is fall for sure. Keep hearing stuff move around in the woods. I'll look around with my flashlight every once in a while, make sure nothing's coming up behind me to surprise me or anything like that. I'm way out here. I'm way out in the woods, so like you can't be too careful, really. You know, you gotta watch yourself, be careful, and so there are bears and mountain lions and stuff out here, so you do have to be careful. I've never seen one. I've never seen a bear. I've never seen a mountain lion or anything like that in person. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this fire for a little bit, and then go in and take a bath because I sprayed Repel all over me. So stuff everywhere, all over me. I gotta get that stuff off because I don't want it in my bed. Okay guys, y'all have a good night. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Did y'all see that view that from the drone, like the clouds up in the mountains? I'm way up here. Like horsefly flying around me, but it's just gorgeous. This is so gorgeous up here. And last night there was like a whole group. There was a truck and had the light bar and all that stuff to go jacked up, and then like a whole bunch of side-by-sides and one forward. Yeah, probably the locals, you know, out here doing what they do out in the country, having fun, you know. And but today is the day that I'm gonna have to head back, and because I need to go by the post office and check the mail. I got a package there that I need to get. I got a carrying case for my drone. That way it don't get messed up because it is expensive. But I've done surprisingly well with it, but I've kind of get a little paranoid, you know, like about flying it too far, you know, because I am in the trees and I want to be able to make sure that I can get it back to me. My generator messed up last night because I wanted to run the AC, that way it wasn't so humid inside the van. The switch is messed up. I wonder if I can order a new one. I don't know, I'm gonna try. And this right here, you got 4 screws that hold the front on. Now you just take this whole thing off. So I'm hoping maybe I can get that switch out and just replace it. And because I'm going to have to buy a whole other generator. That's what it is. I'm pretty sure they sell them. So I'm sure I'm not the first one. So I didn't want to leave because I like being out here. I get so overwhelmed by of the people and being in town, being at work, and a normal, ordinary, everyday life. It's only when I'm out here that my mind can just kind of be at ease and not so crazy. And I dreaded going back into town. I've always been like that, you know. I've always had trouble talking to people, being around most people, but you know, I've tried to make myself deal with it, but it's super hard. And I guess that's why I'm by myself all the time. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video. I really enjoyed making it, and I will see y'all on the next one. Much love and much peace. Until next time.